Blah, 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 blah. Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So today is Monday morning. We are getting ready to go to preschool.
Where we go? Hi.
Hi. We're getting ready to go to preschool. Michael's having some breakfast and I am having some breakfast too and getting some things ready for the day so that I don't have to do them later on, and I have a little bit of time right now. Adam is still sleeping. But before we start this video, if you guys haven't watched the video that I already posted earlier before this one, it's like an update video. I don't know what I'm titling it, but like probably like an update, what's going on. I'm in therapy, I had issues. I don't know, something like that. I'm sure that's what I titled it. Anyways, go ahead and check that out because I will kind of give you an update of where we've been, what's been going on, what I've been dealing with recently, and basically why I haven't been uploading much. Anyways, go ahead and check that out, and then we can go on with this video. So let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, this boy is getting ready to go to preschool. He's a little sicky. He had a little boogers right there. He's having some Trader Joe's cut up apples. I made him a smoothie. I love making this smoothie. So I follow this girl on Instagram. I think it's called Eat in Color or Kids Eat in Color or something like that. And she like basically talks about like foods that are really good for kids and exposure of foods for kids and basically how to get your kids to eat really good foods that are healthy for them and not junky food. Yeah. This boy is freezing, he said. Are you freezing?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So basically she talks about having, well, let me put you down while I do some stuff. Basically she talks about what kids should be eating and how to make kids eat and stuff like that. So when Michael started going to preschool, I was trying to make him a full lunch, but it was like, it gets busy in the morning, obviously, like I'm sure most households do. She had talked about what's that smoothie that everybody buys for their kids, Pediasure maybe, but she said how expensive they are, blah blah blah, right? And so she said that she started making her own, and basically it's just milk, banana, and protein, which she does peanut butter. So I started doing that for him and he loves them, like, and I do that for him every day that he goes to school because it's just fast and easy and it's a full meal for him, and then I'll give him a side of like a little bit of like fruit and then he's good to go. Because you know what, you just don't have time in the morning. You don't have time. And sometimes what I'll do, if I have a little bit of extra time at night, I'll prepare the smoothie, just leave it in the fridge, and then I just pop it into the blender in the morning and we're good to go. Okay, Michael, time to go get your shoes. Can you go get your shoes, please?
So everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Michael, shoes. Michael, stop.
So
Hey.
everybody.
Okay, I'm gonna go get your shoes.
Okay, I'm gonna go get our shoes.
There are shoes over there.
Ooh.
Yeah, but you can wear your shoes. There's shoes inside.
No, my boots is not here.
You want to wear your boots today?
Yeah.
All right. Can you put them on?
Yeah. I cannot put them
Here, I'll show you how.
down.
Wait. Stop. Listen to me. Do you turn on your ears? Turn on your ears. You're not listening. Okay, I asked you to stop. Take that off.
No.
That doesn't go there. Take it off and give it to me. I will show you how they go.
No.
It's okay. Adam's not grabbing them. They go like this. This one here. This one here.
Okay.
Well, it would be easier if you stand up.
Easier, I sit all the time.
No, it's not easier. Good morning, Adam. Okay, let me see. Very good. Good job, Michael. You're such a big boy.
Jump.
Oh, maybe you should use your hands. Let's take this off. Okay, now the other one. Oh, don't balance on Adam.
Bounce.
No, leave your brother alone.
Bounce.
Okay, put your boot on. Oh my gosh. Okay, put your boot on.
My two boots.
Good job. Oh, careful with Adam's fingers. Okay. All right, let me see this handsome boy. Let me see. Ooh, so handsome. And some rain boots. Are you the rain boot boy? Okay. Adam. Oh, we gotta toss that in the trash, please. Good morning, Adam. Good morning. This big old chunker is 8 months old as of yesterday. And this is 18-month clothing already, guys. He's just a little short for them, but they fit. You're gonna go that way?
I'm gonna go this way, yes.
Okay. You ready? You see Miss, ready? Alright, so back home now. We just dropped Michael at school. He was kind of having a hard time today. He kept like holding my hand and pulling me towards like his classroom. And, well, not his classroom, but the playground. And since it's a co-op, so parents go in and like help out at the school and stuff, I told him that today wasn't my turn and that I couldn't stay with him today. And his teacher had to come and get him and distract him a little bit. He didn't cry, thank God, but she had to like come and distract him while I walked out the door. Of course, we said I love you and bye and I'll see you later, but he really wanted me to stay today. This is your brother's high chair and we're putting you in it while he's not here. If he was here, he would be, no, Adam, that's my high chair. But brother's not here, so we're gonna put you here for now, okay? Yeah, you ready to have some breakfast? Do you want some strawberries and bananas? Yeah, let's make you some strawberries and bananas. I'm gonna go ahead and shred these carrots and freeze them so that I can put them in the freezer and use them at a later time. Carrots are done and in the freezer they go.
Oh.
Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. What are you doing? What are you doing, little one? Nap time, nap time, nap time, nap time. You literally slept for like 10 minutes, sir. What the heck? What the heck? Hi.
Don't wanna complicate ya, complicate ya, complicate.
Up Michael from school. I did a little bit of cleaning. I played with Adam for a little bit. He's down there now. Hi. So now his school is a good maybe like 15 to 20 minutes away, and it's kind of like in the mid, like their release time is kind of like in the middle of lunchtime. So I always try and make him lunch before I leave the house, and then he could just be eating it on the way. So I'm gonna make him a ham and cheese sandwich with probably some strawberries and a little package of some sort of cookies or something, and then I'm gonna make myself some lunch and eat it on the way as well. Hey, sir! Sir! Oh, you look at spit up. Mommy has spit up on her shirt from you. Oh my goodness. Ooh.
Where miss me today?
We did miss you today.
Where miss me? Yay.
Did you miss Mommy today, Michael?
I did a bear.
You missed Mommy and Bear? Mommy missed you too.
Mommy missed Michael missed you too.
Oh.
There's a spider right here, Mama.
There is a spider right there.
It's going to make it.
Why didn't you take a nap? Adam took a little nap. Come here. You ready to dance? Don't sit on your brother. No, 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 no. Get off your brother. Your poor brother. Can you stop? All right, let's dance.
Viviendo demasiado, se me olvidaba que ya habíamos terminado, que nunca volverá.
Hey, come to the kitchen.
You are coming to the kitchen. Are you gonna come and hang out with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Want to go outside for a bit, bud?
So I'm gonna start making some dinner right now. We've been starting to have dinner a little early, like way earlier. We normally had dinner like at 5, and now we're aiming to like 4:30, just so we can get the boys down a little bit earlier, but also so we can have time together a little bit longer after they go to sleep and after dinner time. Let's see how that works. Nope, that didn't work. Let's see. All right, that works. Anyways, I'm gonna start making some dinner. I've never made this before. It's my first time, so it might be a total flop, but we'll see. Basically, I'm making some picadillo. And basically what that is just ground beef with cooked in a skillet with potatoes, some vegetables, oil, spices, tomato sauce, and then growing up I ate it over rice, like white rice. So we'll see how this turns out. And I found this recipe online, and then are you going to the bathroom? Michael, you had to go pee pee? Oh, he just went in there. I don't know. He closed the door. Knock, maybe? He asked me to get out earlier when he went to go poop.
Okay, buddy, what's up?
I'm putting my mama.
Okay, give me a second, bud. I'm gonna finish up something outside and I'll be right back in, okay?
Yeah, so I just found this recipe online. We'll see how it turns out. Hopefully it's good. We'll see.
Don't wanna complicate ya, complicate ya, complicate. People wanna complicate ya.
Yes, it's time.
Alright, big boy, you gotta put your high chair where it needs to go.
So
now.
dinner turned out pretty good. It's very liquidy though, so I think I put too much broth. But it smells really good. So I served it over some white rice, and then I'm gonna put some avocado on it, and it looks yummy. I'm excited to try this. We finished dinner, and I had so much left over that I'm gonna freeze the rest. And this will be a dinner for another day. A dinner with leftovers, so that's pretty awesome. Adam, what do you want? What do you want? You want brother's leche? No, that's bro bros. No, Adam, that's bro bros. No, sorry. I know. I know. That was a fake cry. Brinca, 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 brinca. Brinca, brinca, brinca. Ooh. Brinca, brinca. Brinca, brinca, brinca. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and call it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed following me along in today's video. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Bye! You want to say bye?
Bye. Good night.
Good night.